Known affectionately as the Sun City, El Paso is deeply influenced by its far west Texas geography. Boasting over 300 days of sunshine each year, it's a desirable locale for culinary enthusiasts and sun lovers alike. At the heart of the region's diverse southwestern cuisine is the historical evolution of El Paso's signature flavors, which can be experienced through a handful of iconic local dishes and the institutions that serve them. So, let's taste Texas. We begin our Sun City tour at L&J Café.
My name is Leo Duran Sr. I am a third-generation owner with my wife, and our daughter is the fourth generation, Vanessa Duran. Our business was founded in 1927 by my maternal grandparents, Antonio and Juanita Flores. We have been recognized for maintaining the original recipes of our, matriarchs before us, of our ancestors.
Open from breakfast to dinner, L&J offers an expansive menu of regional border fare influenced by regional flavor profiles and generations of family history. Just a few minutes walk from the renowned El Paso Museum of Art, we find a modern take on Tex-Mex at Taft-Díaz in the Stanton House Hotel. This elegant, art-filled space is named after the historic 1909 meeting between American President William H. Taft and Mexican President Porfirio Diaz. At Taft-Díaz, the spirit of fusion comes to life through Chef Rodrigo Moreno's blend of American, Mexican, Italian, and Japanese influences. With dishes like roasted bone marrow sprinkled with togarashi and served with warm tortillas, and Hokkaido scallop tostada with preserved lemon aioli, fried shallots, and refreshing cucumber. Seasonal favorites include cotija pork meatballs with naan and a silky corn soup with burgundy truffle. Dishes that seamlessly bridge cultures and traditions in a way that only El Paso can. We wrap up our Sun City journey at Queso Steakhouse. The El Paso newcomer has quickly become known as a dining experience that straddles old-world elegance and contemporary cool. Step inside the warm, inviting dining room, anchored by a striking open wine cellar stacked high with bold, steak-friendly bottles. Of course, Texas prime cuts are the main event, from dry-aged tomahawks to tender filet mignon and everything in between. Beyond steakhouse classics, Queso's menu doesn't shy away from comfort food favorites, with a uniquely El Paso twist. The empanadas, shrimp flambe, arrachera tacos, and inventive cocktails like a prickly pear martini are all crowd favorites. Queso updates the old-school steakhouse experience with refined flavors in a setting that's both elevated and approachable. Ideal for a romantic dinner, a celebratory night out, or a well-made after-hours cocktail. El Paso's food scene has become a hub of Tex-Mex culture and cuisine, one that's continuously evolving, shaped by both generational recipes and new school innovation.